The Oregon State University Honeybee Lab presents Dissecting for Tracheal Mites. To determine if a bee is infested with tracheal mites, one must dissect the bee to view tracheal tubes. Place the bee on its back. With forceps, remove the head and first pair of legs. Pull on the collar of the thorax and remove. The collar may be brittle and break apart, so the technique may take practice. Trachea should be attached to the collar piece, or they may still be attached to the bee body.
This is an adult tracheal mite and an egg that have been removed with forceps from the trachea. They are small, white, and football-shaped. This is a tracheal tube with no tracheal mites. This is a mild infestation of tracheal mites. This is a moderate infestation. This is a heavy infestation of tracheal mites. Severe infections may cause dark scarring of the trachea. However, scarring can occur with different levels of infestation.